Good morning, my sweet girls and my sweet boys. Today we are going to talk about phonics, long O vowel sound. We have here two letters, O and U, but when we put them together, we pronounce it as ow, ow. Let's talk more about this sound. Loud, loud. I heard a loud noise. Loud. Ow, ow. Loud noise. Loud noise. Count, count. Ow, ow. Can you count from 1 to 10? Count. Ow. Yes. Let's see the next. Round, round. This table is round, round. Ow, ow, round. Yes, round. Yes, let's see the next. Ouch, ouch. I hurt my finger. Ouch. So we pronounce it as ow, ow. Let's see the next. Cloud, cloud. There is a big cloud in the sky. Cloud, ow, cloud, ow. Mouth, mouth. It is a big mouth. Mouth, ow, ow, ow. Mouth. Shout, shout. Ow, ow. Don't shout in the class. Shout, ow. So, we have here two letters. They have one sound. We pronounce it as ow, ow. Let's now open your workbook to do some exercises about ow sound. Okay? Open page number 16. Let's see here. We have here many words. We are going to write ow sound. Let's write here. When we put here ow, how can we pronounce it? Let's see. Ow. Round. Yes, excellent. Round. Round. Let's write here on the line round. Okay, and here house. Yeah. So we are going to write also ow. What is it? House. House. Let's see the next here. When we put ow for this word, what we have? We have mouse. Yes, excellent. Mouse. Let's see the next. Let's write here ow. Okay, ow. Cloud. Yes, excellent. This is the cloud. Yes, excellent. Let's see. We put here also O-U. We pronounce it as ow. So ground. Ow. Okay. Let's see the next. Ow. Sound. Yes, excellent. Sound. Sound. Okay. Let's write here. What's this? Cloud. So we are going to write here cloud. Ow. And what's this? Mouse. So let's write mouse. Okay, yes, excellent. What's this? Yes, house. So let's write here house. Ow, house. Let's see here. Complete the sentences. Okay. This is, look at this house. This is a round house. Yes, excellent. Let's write here a round house. Round, ow, house. Yes, excellent. Round house. Let's see the next. What's this? And where is the mouse? The mouse is on the ground. Yes, excellent. So let's write here mouse, mouse. Where is the mouse? On the ground. Yes, let's write here on the ground. Let's write ground. Okay? Excellent. The mouse is on the ground. Let's see here the third. Look at the mouse. The round mouse is on the, what we call this? Cloud. Yes, excellent. So let's write here the round mouse is on the cloud. So let's write here the cloud. Okay, cloud. Oh, okay. Let's write here. You read and complete the sentences. Use these words from this page. Okay, you are going to use these words to write and complete the sentences. Okay, you can go. Yes, excellent. Round and round. Yes, excellent. You can go round and round. Okay, thunder is a very loud sound. Yes, excellent. So let's write here sound. Yes, excellent. Let's do the next now. So what we have here, you go round and round on a roundabout. Thunder is a very loud sound. Okay, let's now do the next. But I want to clean this because it's nonsense. Okay, let's write here. Okay, there are white, what we call these? Clouds. Yes, excellent. So write here clouds. Let's write clouds because we have more than one, we say clouds. Our is next to a small farm. What's this? Yeah, our, excellent, our house. So let's write here our house. So this is our lesson for today. We talked about phonics, the long ow vowel sounds. We pronounce it as ow, ow. Thank you. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.